Hey guys, welcome back to KILLZONE Outdoors. Me and Justin are out here on a lake that we've never fished in the summer before. I've come out here in the winter and I've caught a couple walleyes, but you know, there's some lily pads, so I'm going to try some topwater. It's kind of an overcast day, but we're going to try throwing some jigs and some other baits, maybe some Senkos, but let's see what we can catch.
I think I would win.
No, you suck. Decent one. The jig barely hit the water.
Feisty little I'm laughing at the top. Wow, alright, that's a lot bigger than I thought.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
First one on the jig for me. It's a pretty nice one. He was hooked good. Still is hooked good.
Okay, thank you.
Woo! First frogfish of the year.
Why is he so small?
Hey now.
Hook in the hand of the year. You barely had it. I don't even understand how you had him. You snagged him. It wasn't even in his mouth.
Hey.
Snagged him. Doesn't even count.
Woo!
No. That
Yes.
doesn't even count.
No.
You snagged him. That doesn't count as a frogfish. You snagged him.
Pike.
It's a muskellunge.
What? Wow. Look at that. Is that your first muskie?
Yeah, I think so. How do you grab these first? Name is Pike?
Yeah. That's crazy. We'll have to get a picture of that. First muskie. I saw that thing wade right over to it. Second frogfish of the day. On that one.
For over 30 years, and we can't wait to make things easy for you.
Oh!
Wow.
Holy fuck. That would have been cool if I would have got that one.
You would have flung, if they would have hooked up, you would have flung it over the back of the boat.
4 major attractions, all within 4 miles. That's the amusement park, Canterbury Park, Place Casino Hotel.
There we go.
No matter who you are, no matter what you're feeling, non-stop adventure and excitement is waiting in the land of big fun. This week in River South, there's something for every side of you. Mystic Lake's Great Midwest Rib Fest kicks Friday, July 27th at 5 p.m. and rocks all weekend long with 3 days of ribs and free live music, including Foghat, War, and Leanne Ryan.
That one just hit the water.
It's Extreme Race Day,
Whew.
July 14th with camel, zebra, and ostrich races.
Third frogfish for the day. Let's go.
Every weekend through August 5th. Enjoy.
That's actually decent. Fourth one. Oh. Look at that growth.
Could you whopper flopper?
Good.
You get it right? Long for sure. But respawn though.
220. God, that growth is so weird.
I thought that's where it hooked.
Alright. Oh, look what's on its tongue.
What?
There's like a little slug on there. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I sure had a lot of fun, and I know Justin did too. So he actually caught his first muskie today, and it was my first time even seeing a muskie up close. And it was crazy how beautiful those muskies are. I mean, all the different colors and the stripes. It's just really amazing, and they're really cool fish to see. And that just makes me want to get out even more, and I need to still catch my first muskie. But on another note, the bass were on fire today. They were hitting top water like no tomorrow. We'd throw our jigs in, and as soon as our jigs would hit the water, they'd come up and crush it. So that's what made me decide to throw on a frog, and I had the same results. I was just throwing the frog, and they were so aggressive today that you could just see their wake as they swam towards the frog, and they'd just crush it. And this is just my favorite time of the year, when the fish are that aggressive, when they'll come up and just basically eat anything on the surface. It definitely makes it a lot of fun for us out there fishing, but I sure hope it makes it enjoyable for you guys to watch. So if you guys liked what you saw today, click down here to subscribe, or click right over here to watch the last video. Thanks for watching, guys.